paragraph formatting notes. Paragraph formatting is the appearance of the paragraph. We just finished character formatting, which is the appearance of how the text looks, but paragraph formatting are how your paragraphs in your document look. Some of those features include alignment, borders and shading, line spacing, indentation. When we talk about indents, that's the amount of blank space between your left and right margins. The most common indent is your first line indent, which is what you do when you indent a paragraph when you're typing a report, a research paper. And that means that your first line is indented at a 0.5 and the rest of the paragraph is not. If you look at this paragraph here, this is an example. The first line has been indented, and for first line indent you just have to press tab, or you can go to your paragraph dialog box and under special choose first line, but that indents at 0.5. Another indent is hanging indent. Hanging indent is used when you in works cited and references. Hanging indent means that the first line is not indented, but the rest of the lines of the paragraph are indented. And you can see an example here with East Carolina is that the first line is not indented and the rest of the lines are. Negative indent means that you're outside of your margins and that you're in the negative and the white space at the end, and when you go to print, it will not print correctly for you. Paragraph alignment is how your text is aligned, or paragraphs are aligned on your document. You have two types. You have horizontal alignment and vertical. Horizontal alignment is the alignment between the left and right margins of your document. And horizontal alignment is represented by your left, center, right, and justified alignment. Vertical alignment is how your text is aligned according to the top and the bottom of your document. And the best way to, it means they have equal amount of white space at the top and the bottom. To do this, you go to page layout and your page setup and click on your layout tab, and where you see page you'll see vertical alignment, and you can do this one either top, middle, or bottom. Line spacing is the amount of space between lines, and you have single space. You can find single space by doing Control 1 or going to paragraph dialog box and under spacing selecting single space. You can do, then there's double space. You can set your double space by doing Control 2 or going to your paragraph dialog box under line spacing and selecting double. 1.5 lines can be use a keyboard shortcut of doing Control 5 or your paragraph dialog box. And then you have at least, exactly, or multiple. At least means that that's the minimum amount that the space of that the character is going to be, or the line spacing is going to be, excuse me. Exactly means it's going to be exactly the number or the amount that you put in. And then multiple means it can vary. Bulleted list, there's two types. You have bulleted lists and you have numbered lists. Bulleted lists are created by using symbols beside the characters. It can be many different symbols. It just helps you keep your, normally done with list, and they're done, keeps it organized. Then you have numbered lists. Numbered lists are organized by numbers. They're in numerical order. They may be represented by numbers or letters or Roman numerals. Any of those may work for a numbered list. We're going to do tabs later.